Hello everyone, this is an English word. Hano kwiga cyongereza neza. Today we gonna learn phrases that we can use to motivate somebody. Umunsi cyo kubatura amagambo wakoresha urimo utera umuntu imbaraga cyangwa se umubwira ko agomba gukomeza ibyo ari gukora. So, without further ado, let's start. The first is stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused means continue paying attention. Komeza witonde or keep things about your goals. Gukomeza wibanda ku bintu uri gukora. Stay focused. Gukomeza kwibanda ku bintu urimo gukora. Example, stay focused on what you need. Stay focused on what you need. Komeza wibande ku byo ushaka. Stay focused on what you need. Komeza wibande ku byo ushaka. How can I stay focused? How can I stay focused? How can I stay focused? Ni gute nakomeza kubyibandaho. Okay? Next is success will come. Success will come. Bivuze ko ibintu byiza bizakubaho mu hazaza. Success will come bivuze ko uzatsinda. Okay? Example, pay attention, success will come. Pay attention, success will come. Komeza witonde uzatsinda cyangwa se uzagira ku byo ushaka. Pay attention, success will come. Another example, you can say, success will come if you keep walking. Success will come if you keep walking. Uzatsinda nukomeza gukora cyangwa se intsinzi izaza nukomeza gukora. Success will come if you keep walking. Intsinzi izaza nukomeza gukora. Next, do your best. Do your best. Do your best means that try as hard as you can. Gerageza uko ushoboye kose. Example, do your best and never give up. Kora uko ushoboye ntukave ku bintu. Do your best and never give up. Kora uko ushoboye ntukave ku bintu. Another example, you can say, let's do our best. Let's do our best. Reka dukore uko dushoboye. Let's do our best. Reka dukore uko dushoboye. Ikurikeni, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid means don't fear. Ntugire ubwoba. Do not fear. Ntugire ubwoba. Don't be afraid. I am with you. Ntugire ubwoba, ndi kumwe nawe. Don't be afraid. I am with you. Ntugire ubwoba, ndi kumwe nawe. Urundi rugero bavuga ngo how can I not be afraid? How can I not be afraid? Ni gute ntagira ubwoba? How can I not be afraid? Ni gute ntagira ubwoba? Wisanze muri situation ikomeye cyane, umuntu akaba arimo kubwira ati wigira ubwoba ibintu bizamera neza, gusa wewe ukabona impamvu zo kugira ubwoba zihari cyangwa se zigaragara. You can say how can I not be afraid? Ni gute ntagira ubwoba? Ikurikeni, learn from mistake. Learn from your mistake. Igira ku makosa yawe. Learn from your mistake. Igira ku makosa yawe. Okay? I learn from my mistake. Nigira ku makosa yanjye. I learn from my mistake. Ubwo iyo nkoze ikosa ntabwo nongera kurikora kuko ribajyanye nsigiye isomo. Next, do you learn from your mistake? Do you learn from mistake? Ese wigira ku makosa yawe cyangwa se amakosa yawe hari icyo kwigisha? Do you learn from your mistake? Next is be patient. Be patient. Ihangane. Be patient. Ihangane. Nk'uko bavuga ngo hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Ihangane. Example, be patient for what you are going through. Be patient for what you are going through. Ihanganire ibyo uri kunyuramo. Be patient for what you are going through. Ihanganire ibyo uri kunyuramo. That is be patient. Last one is never give up. Never give up means that you should continue trying even when things are difficult. Ukomeza kugerageza nubwo ibintu byaba bikomeye. Example, you can say, never give up because success takes time. Never give up because success takes time. Ntukave ku bintu, iterambere ritwara igihe. Never give up because success takes time. Ntukave ku bintu, iterambere ritwara igihe. Another example, you can say, if you fail today, never give up, try again tomorrow. If you fail today, never give up, try again tomorrow. Nimba utsinzwe uyu munsi, ntukabireke, uzagerageze ubutaha. This is the end of our video and I hope you're enjoying. If you are, make subscribe and see you next time. May God bless you.